Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Epify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to refer Bigo Live to your friends. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Bigo Live. When you open up your Bigo Live, you will be landing on this page. Here tap on Me icon that is located on bottom right corner. It will navigate you to this profile page. Here tap on Earn Money. Now you will be seeing Invite Now button, tap on it. If you want to refer your Bigo Live to your WhatsApp friend, then tap on WhatsApp. Open it and select a person to whom you want to send your Bigo Live. So in this way you can refer Bigo Live to your friends. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.